Welcome back to Alligator Alley. Remember we were here 2-3 months ago? Well, they finished the project, so now we can go check it all out. Now we can go check it all out here and see what it's like now that it's all done. See, I told you little kids were going to love that big alligator, didn't I? I called it. Well, this is great. This is really neat. I think out-of-state visitors traveling along the Alligator Alley are going to really enjoy this. This is on the... It's easiest to get to it if you're headed east, headed towards Fort Lauderdale, but if you're headed west, you can get off on the other side of the highway from it and go under the little underpass and get back over to this side. It's really cool. So I guess the key feature here is this huge observation tower. I'm almost up to the top of that now. To get to the top of this, we can, of course, have a beautiful view of the highway, but also the surrounding Everglades area, looking out into the Everglades from this height. Pretty cool. But it's very noisy because of the highway. C'est la vie. You may remember that after our first visit here and our first video, one of the major construction workers here, I guess he was the project manager or something. I wish I could remember his name right now. He left us a few comments telling us about the status, telling us when it would be open. He said it'd be open at the end of August, and here we are. This is the first day of September, and it is certainly open. It was actually open up. It was open up, I believe, at least by the beginning of this weekend, because I drove by here the other day, and I could tell from the highway that there were people up on the tower, so it was open already. Well, definitely worth a stop. I highly recommend you drop by here on your way east on the alley, on the Alligator Alley. It's a Robinson 44. Flew one of those in Little Nutty was the war. All right, well, thanks for joining me over here. I hope to see you out and about. Be sure to stop over here at this Everglades show-off arboretum / observation tower. Did I mention it's free? It's free. Well, thanks for hanging out with me, and thanks for checking this place out with me. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. And remember, we're all gonna make it.